to get the motor in, set up, I just run it, and then adjust that little mention tape over. So just leave it all right there. That's tomorrow.
Yeah.
I would call tomorrow for a driver's test.
You do? Do another test?
Right?
Gotta do another test, eh?
Well, I'm going to reading there, you better test.
How old are you? How old are you?
83.
You're 83?
84.
Holy.
In March.
March. Still spring chicken.
Hey?
Still spring chicken. Nan was telling me her parents her parents lived till 90. They're in their 90s. Nan, Doris.
No.
Yeah.
Died at 60.
She said her grandparents lived till her 90s.
She's an old cunt like Giselle.
Oh yeah. Oh, the grandmother.
Yeah, her mother's mother.
What was her name?
Oh, I don't know if her name.
LaFave, yeah. Jane?
Hey?
Jane?
James?
Jane?
I don't know what her name was. I hear so much I didn't want to know her name.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
It's better now with the truck. That truck got fire, right?
Oh yeah. That one did?
Pull it down and this. Oh, fuck. You got to put that fucking belt off there.
Oh, the belt's still on. On the spring? So it's going to get tighter when you loosen that, eh?
What the fuck's the...
Oh, it's wrapped up over there. It's wrapped right up. You got to... Other way.
What do you do?
Go the other way?
Push it.
Push it, yeah. Okay. Wait. Now pull it a little. Okay, now you can come back. We can pull it this way. Yeah, pull it. Okay, there you go.
I'm going to take this off. Mind your fingers, they don't put me anywhere in the close there.
Watch your fingers. Nope.
I said it first.
Oh, sucker. Cut. Suck guy's finger.
See here? Cut fire underneath. No.
Oh, yeah. See, it's all melted.
So I put sheet metal screws
Yeah.
to build it up and straighten it up. When it gets right into the track, it gets binds them.
Yeah.
Just more or less to balance it at the same time as this was wore out.
Yeah. Should still work.
We'll find out.
Should work all right.